Hey guys, what's up? So Xiaomi is now gearing up to launch the Mi 11 series, and if reports are to be believed, the phones will be launched on the 29th of December and might be available before the end of the year. Now earlier reports had indicated that Xiaomi will launch two phones in the series, the Mi 11 and the Mi 11 Pro, but a fresh leak from Digital Chat Station hints at another phone in the series, the Mi 11 Pro Plus. The phone, according to him, will have no shortcomings in terms of the specifications, so we can expect to have a Quad HD Plus display along with a 120Hz refresh rate, a complete camera setup including a primary, telephoto and ultra-wide, along with other high-end features like an IP rating and fast wireless charging. It will of course be powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor and have a 100W of fast charging support. All these specifications will come with a matching price tag, as the phone is expected to be priced even higher compared to the Mi 10 Ultra at around $839. That's all we know about the phone as of now, but since the launch is so near, we can expect to know the rest of the details pretty soon. Moving on to the Mi 11, so recently Xiaomi's Redmi product director has posted an image on his Weibo that might have been clicked from the Mi 11, as he's known to post images from unreleased Xiaomi phones. The Mi 11 will get a curved AMOLED display along with a punch hole on the top left corner for the selfie camera and a 120Hz refresh rate, which is a step up from the 90Hz on the Mi 10, and I don't need to tell you its advantages. The back camera is placed inside a rounded square-shaped camera module with three cameras. Two of these cameras are bigger in size, while the third one sits on top of the flash and is smaller than the two. The primary camera also has a white ring around it. Now the module certainly looks to be inspired by the iPhone 12 series, but it has its own character with the dual tone finish. The camera specs include a 108MP primary with OIS, a 13MP ultra-wide and a 5MP macro. Again, I would have loved to see even an 8MP telephoto instead of the macro. However, I am not the one making decisions for Xiaomi. The Pro variant also gets a triple camera setup. However, the main camera is a 50MP shooter, the secondary a 20MP ultra-wide, and the third might be a 12MP telephoto, a more complete camera setup in my opinion. The Mi 11, just like the Mi 11 Pro and Pro Plus, will get the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888. In fact, the Mi 11 series will be the first to use the Snapdragon 888 in any smartphone. You also get a 4780mAh battery on the Mi 11 along with a 55W fast charging support. The phones will run a special version of MIUI known as MIUI 12.5 based on Android 11. It is expected that the Mi 11 would retail for $610. We've also heard that the Mi 11 Pro will get a quad curved display, but if there is a Mi 11 Pro Plus, I think that has more chances of getting it. That's it for this video. Do let me know your opinions about the Mi 11 series down in the comments. Smash the like button if you liked it and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech videos. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.